though, right?
He's a stand-up guy. Everyone loves him.
Should I even be worried about that fucking pretty boy?
Marcus is the best. You got no worries around him.
Yeah, I bet. No, yeah, it's cool, man. Thanks. Cool. I mean, what about like him and Elsa?
Are you guys seeing this? You're blaming us? I ought to put a nail in your head. Put the nail gun down. Don't let me do it. Right? Guys, we have to calm down, even if when. Fuck, you son of a bitch.
What happened? I lost him. Good. Rumor. Stop. Somebody broke in. That fucking bitch!
You didn't find Rumor out in the woods, did you?
No, I already told you that. What? What? Oh, you don't believe me all of a sudden? Is that it? Right? Right, you two are in on this shit together, aren't you? Yeah, I see that. You guys make quite the couple, don't you? Oh, nice. Nice! Yeah, is this what you want? Are you fucking serious right now? Are you serious, guys? This is crazy! We won! We made it!
Oh, we're almost out of here.
What?
Elsa?
You good?
You killed Dwayne and Jess.